right? And then scenario number 4 ila senze khona i-k method. Okay, and scenario number 4 kahle kahle umbona kanjani? Scenario number 4 kuba no squared somewhere. Okay, and okay, for example nakungathiwa sine squared x minus 2 sine x maybe plus 1 is equal to 0, right? Or let's say minus 1 is equal to 0. All right, so the fact yokuthi kuna squared la ecaleni kusho ukuthi kumele sisebenzise i-k method. So singayibhala sithi sine x squared 2 sine x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? So the fact yokuthi siyibhale kanje sifuna ukusebenzisa le approach ethi let sine x to be equals to k, right? And then la ubona khona sine x ufaka u-k, so lana izothi k squared minus 2 la kuno sine x khona ufaka u-k, and then minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so lana uzosolva for u-k, and then now uqeda ukusolva for u-k bese umbisela la bese uthola ama-general solution akho ke la. Alright, so u-k lana ungamthola nge-quadratic formula. Okay, whereby uzothi k is equals to minus b, which is minus 2, plus or minus square root b wakho 2 squared minus 4 a wakho 1, and then c wakho minus 1, right? And then do it divided by 2 times 1 bese uthola bo k bakho by 2 na ke la, right? So k wakho wokuqala 2.41, and then k wakho wesi-2 uzoba negative 0.41. Okay, so sesibuyela lapha phezulu ke manje la sibona khona u-k sesifaka lama values esiwatholile. So izothini sine x is equals to k, u-k wakho lana 2.41, right? And then ngapha izothi sine x is equals to k, which is negative 0.41, right? But siyazi ukuthi usine always between negative 1 and 1, so lana ke ngeke kube ne-solution ke la, right? Ungazama ukushaya i-calculator lana uthi x is equals to arcsine 2.41, uzayibona ukuthi izokubhalela lapho ukuthi lento le kahle kahle ayi-exist, right? So that means usine no-cos kahle kahle always are between negative 1 no 1, right? So ngapha it's no solution. Then asiqhubeke siye ngale, nasibheka la sine x is equals to negative 0.41. So since usine are negative, it means i-general solution yethu izoba ku-third quadrant, because usine negative ku-third quadrant na ku-fourth quadrant, right? And ukhumbule ku-third quadrant it's 180 plus, right? So lana izothini x is equals to 180 plus arcsine of 0.41. awusawufaki lo negative because lo negative ukhetha kule quadrant ukuthi sowukhethile wena ukuthi i-quadrant yakho quadrant number 3 la u-negative khona, right? So la uzoyifaka as positive ke la, then plus k times 360, k is an element of z, right? So this is quadrant number 3, and then quadrant number 4 so 360 minus arcsine of 0.41 plus k times 360, k is an element of z. So this is an example of ek method, right? But it's not always good bazokunikeza yona in a form of sine s squared and then bakubekela yona in a standard form. Sometimes bakubekela yona in such a way ukuthi mele usebenzise i-identity yakho, right? So for example nabangathi cos squared x minus 2 sin x equals to 1. For example nanga bakunikeze yona kanje, wena kumele umake sure ukuthi yonke indawo kuba nabo sin or yonke indawo kuba nabo cos, right? And now checka la, since kuno sin la and usin phela ngeke uzukhona ukumshintsha unless uzosebenzisa u-cos 90 minus x, but asifuni compound angle or asifuni, sifuna ukuthi kube x kuphela le angle lakho, right? So into esingayishintsha ilo cos squared x, but simshintsha kanjani? I-approach yethu le ethi cos squared x plus sin squared x is equals to 1. So sifuna u-cos squared x lapha, right? Kule approach yethu ke la or le identity yethu. It means u-cos squared x is equals to 1 minus sin squared x. Okay, so lasibona khona u-cos squared x ofaka 1 minus sin squared x. So izothi 1 minus sin squared x minus 2 sin x equals to 1, right? And then labo 1 labo azokhanselana ngale ngapha nangale, and then it will be negative sin minus 2 sin x equals to 0. And yabona la ukuthi sekune common factor manje, right? Now or now divide both sides on negative 1, izothi sin squared x plus 2 sin x equals to 0, right? La already so none manje, so ne common factor which is sin x, right? So ungafactor out u-sin x ke la kusale u-sin x no 2. But enye approach futhi la ungasebenzisa yona le k method la ukuthi let k is equals to sin x. Awubona khona u-sin x ufaka u-k, so lana bezothi k squared plus 2k equals to 0, bese siyasolve-ke uqhubeka ngala ma steps esenze ngawo ale k method.